Nick Vanderkar selling the main line with Long & Foster Real Estate here. I'm here with Bob Albanese, our Regional Vice President. We're both down here at Triple Play. Thanks for joining us, Bob.
Pleasure.
And we are just going to discuss the market in 2014. We're going to stare at our little crystal ball and see what we come up with.
Sounds like a plan.
Okay, great.
Well, Nick, it's a great question. I certainly see 2014 as being a very positive year. The trajectory that we are now on, that we've established in 2012, will continue. So my full expectation is to see transactions up 8 to 10% in 2014, dollar volume up about 20 to 25%. So what that means, obviously, is the average sale price will be higher. Overall, in our market at large, 5 to 6% higher naturally. That will vary greatly depending upon whether you're in Montgomery County, Chester County, as it always does. But certainly positives in that. Challenges. Certainly the inventory will continue to be a challenge in 2014. I don't think that's a mystery to anyone, but our energies in terms of prospecting and building our business should be totally focused, laser focused on building this quality inventory. Also in the area of challenges is a development that's going to be launching now January 1st, been in the works for quite some time on the federal level, the QRM, the Quality Residential Mortgage, which will put some very clear barriers on the type of mortgages that can be written. So for example, the back-end ratios will be a very firm 43%. 20% down will absolutely be the norm. Naturally, FHA, other federally funded loans will be just fine. They will qualify as a quality loan. But there'll be a bit of a learning curve here for the public. The really positive thing about QRM, though, and there is a positive here for sure, is that businesses and consumers like certainty. And one of the things that all businesses and certainly mortgage companies and banks have been struggling with is this uncertainty. What kind of a loan will be able to be marketed in this new year? So at least this takes the uncertainty out of it. And I think that's a very big thing. In fact, numbers came out just this morning, this day we're talking, that the applications for residential loans were up 1% in November. Now, we would expect if there was some sort of a panic that would be 20%, and it has not been. So on the other hand, it's entirely possible that many people in the general public simply aren't aware yet this will be happening. So that's the other slight unknown. But in general, a move towards certainty, which is always a good thing. And what I want to close with is, along those lines, there is no company in the marketplace better poised to capitalize on that need for certainty than Long & Foster. I mean, here we are just celebrating our 45th anniversary, same ownership, same family-owned entity, consistency, absolutely second to none and unlike any other competitor that we have. So I'm very confident that we are all poised as part of this organization to absolutely take the market in 2014 in a totally upward direction.